Hi guys, just going to do a real quick thing on Nebraska. Oops. Okay. This is about a supposed volcano named Ionia. And what I can find is that it fell into the sea, so we're going to click this. And if you go to Only in Your State, it says not many people know about Nebraska's lost volcano. A volcano is probably the last thing you would expect to find in Nebraska, but there is a volcano in our state's history, kind of. And anyway, it says the river has changed course and no longer flows right next to the cliffs here. But before it changed course, the river significantly changed the landscape here and swept away our one and only volcano. And it shows it where it's at and then more information. And you can look this one up on the link on the screen, which is www.onlyinyourState.com/Nebraska/lost volcano/NE. Anyway, if y'all would like to look that up, I thought it was kind of interesting. I was reading about it.